kayaking to points while other people run to different points. And we've got to get the right time. We've got to get to their points at the same time. So lots of planning, lots of making sure we're on the same page.
3, 2, 1, go.
We've got the start of the plan.
Navigation problems,
Navigation problems.
Yeah.
Making sure the runners get to where they need to be before we dig in. We don't know how fast we can move or how bad the headwind is, so just going to go out and see what we can do.
Just got to run fast and canoe fast, basically. Simple as that.
We got a great team. We've got a great team.
Awesome. Fantastic, it was really good. Really good fun.